Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can hide your birthday notification on Facebook. It's pretty simple. For that you need to hide your birthday on Facebook. Click on your Facebook menu icon at the bottom right of your screen. From over here, you want to click on your Facebook username at the top left of your screen. Once you're inside your Facebook profile, click on the pen icon at the top right of your screen. Then you want to scroll all the way down until you see the option called Edit Your About Info. Click on Edit Your About Info, and from over here, you can see this option called Basic Info. Right beside Basic Info, you can see the option called Edit. Click on it, and first it's going to show you birthday, and right below birthday, my birthday is January 1, 2000. So right beside January 1, you can see an option called Only Me. So in your case it might show you different, but doesn't matter. Just click on it, and after you click on it, make sure you set this to Only Me. Once you do that, it's going to show you 2000, or like in your case it's going to show you your birthday. And over here on the bottom one as well, make sure you select Only Me. Once you select Only Me, that means only you will be able to see your birthday on Facebook, which means no one will be able to send you a birthday notification. After that is done, just go back and you have done what you had to do. So it's that easy to turn off your birthday notification. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.